Gemini said, "Ever struggled to create flowcharts, diagrams, or graphs for your projects? What if I told you that Chatgpt can build them for you in seconds with a simple trick? Let me show you how. First, open Chatgpt and type in your topic. For example, let's say you want a timeline of major Chatgpt and Gemini. Here's the magic command. After your topic, type diagram, mermaid. When you hit enter, Chatgpt will automatically generate a beautiful, clean visual diagram like this one. You can see the timeline clearly laid out with all the key dates. Now, if your version of Chatgpt only gives you a block of code instead of a visual, don't worry. There's an easy fix. Just tap the share or arrow icon at the bottom and open the link in a browser like Google Chrome. It will instantly render that code into the full visual flowchart you need. It's that simple. Whether it's for study, work, or presentations, you can now generate professional-looking diagrams without any design skills. If you found this tip useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI hacks.